I love buying properties from motivated sellers because they're basically saying, here, take my property at a discount. Now, this is the second video of three. If you go back and watch the first video, we give a lot more ways. In 10 in the first one, 10 in this one, and then 10 in the next video. So check the link in the description for all three of those videos to get all of the 30 different ways that we find motivated sellers and how you can too. Hey guys, Dustin Heiner here with Master Passive Income. I want to share with you how to quit your JOB, that just over broke job, by investing in real estate rental properties so you never ever have to work a job again. And with me, I have Charles Rose Jr., who literally just last month closed 4 properties with motivated sellers and used none of his own money. Fantastic. Charles, thanks so much for being on the show.
Dustin, it is always great to be on the show to share these things, especially this great topic on ways to find motivated sellers, because so many people are wondering, how can I find properties in this seller's market? So hopefully, if you can just pick 1 or 2 of these and add it to what you're doing already, you can find so much more motivated sellers and buy great deals at discounts.
And I love buying from motivated sellers, like I said, because I make more in passive income because I buy the house lower in value. I buy it lower, which means I have less out of mortgage, I have less out of taxes, all that sort of stuff. And I make a lot more in passive income, which is what we live on. And let's jump right into the first way. Charles, what's the first way in this second video of 3 that we can find motivated sellers?
So the first way is investor packages. So this is so awesome, Dustin, because I've actually bought a small package of 2. Some people buy even more, but investor packages, because a lot of times the investor, they're trying to get rid of the properties real quick. Maybe they're trying to do a 1031 exchange and buy a bigger property. Whatever their reason is, they want to get rid of all these properties. And so they're motivated to sell the properties at a discount. I love buying investor packages, and it's a great way to build your business. I mean, instead of buying one, you can buy multiple properties at the same time at discounts from these motivated investors.
I love it. Next one would be for sale by owners. Now, everybody hopefully is old enough to remember newspapers. So newspapers, they would actually have classifieds in there, which basically people listing things that they want to sell. And houses are one thing that a lot of people sold. And so there would be for sale by owner, or you look up FSBO, for sale by owner, the initials for every single one of those letters. But if you look for sale by owners, even if you're driving through a neighborhood, you see a for sale by owner, you can find potentially a motivated seller. At the same time, what you're going to be doing is negotiating with them and say, hey, you want to sell, we're not going to use a realtor, you're not going to have to pay 6%. Let's bring that down. So lower my price down, maybe by 5%.
And the next one is the banded signs. You see them all around you. We buy houses in shopping centers, Walmart, Home Depot, in your neighborhoods, everywhere. So usually the people who buy houses, they are connected to motivated sellers. And so you can call them up and say, like, hey, I know you buy houses, but I buy houses too. Can you add me to your list? I've done this before. I pick up the phone and call the number in the banded sign, and they're trying to buy a property from me, but I say, hey, I'm a buyer. And they're like, oh, we got a buyer's list. They will add you to their buyer's list, and they have lots of motivated sellers on that buyer's list.
Another fantastic way is literally driving, they call it driving for dollars, but driving the neighborhood or going around and talking to people in the neighborhood, looking for houses that look distressed. They're the weeds are growing, there's the paint's chipping, and there's newspapers stacking up. Motivated sellers are ones that don't even care about their property. Like, oh, just take it off my hands. It's just a bother to me. You want to find those. And so driving for dollars and network with people that you meet. If you see somebody walking around, get out of the car and say, hey, do you know about any properties around here? I'm looking to buy a property. I found usually they're very helpful and they want to help out.
Absolutely. And you could use apps for this too. I know there's a famous app called Deal Machine. You could use apps to help you with that process. And the next one is expired MLS listings. You can even automate this process from your real estate agents. And you can reach out to those sellers or have your realtor or whoever reach out to them, find them and try to buy their property, because if their listing expired, then maybe they had a hard time selling that property. So a lot of times they're motivated to sell that property.
And another one that's fantastic is basically you're going to be advertising that you're buying houses with door hangers. What I usually do with my kids is I would literally have them go to door. I'll just park at the end of the street, give them a stack of door hangers, and have them run down the street and just put them on each one of the houses. And I give them, like, I don't know, 10 cents per house they do. That's kind of a lot. Maybe I think it was like 5 cents. But you literally hang them up there and people will see it. It's cheaper than mailing it. You just hang them up there and they're going to see it and they say, hey, this is an investor. You might throw it away. They might call you, be mad, but you're also going to get calls where people are going to say, let me sell you my house, or my dad or my aunt or somebody else is selling a house. I want you to buy it. So utilize door hangers all over the place wherever you're investing.
Absolutely. And here's another really good one: direct mail. So this is where you can literally find different types of sellers, whether it's a someone going through a divorce or a foreclosure, or someone who's delinquent on their taxes, bankruptcies, military owners. Find these people who look motivated, and you can literally send them mail directly at their house. You can send them a small postcard. It's good to make it a color and a size and shape that stands out. Send them postcards, mail them directly, letting them know that you are a buyer, and do whatever you can to get them on the phone. Now, I will say, with direct mail, you definitely have to be attentive with your phone. Make sure you answer the calls when they call you back. Be willing to spend that time to talk to the motivated seller so that you can buy their properties at a discount.
Another way that I've used lots and lots and lots of times is Craigslist. So Craigslist.com, you go there and you look for people who are trying to sell their house. You're going to find a lot of for sale by owners there. You're going to find a lot of people that are just investors also. So go through Craigslist and look for properties that are being sold. You could even put an ad saying, we buy houses fast for cash. People look for that as well, and they'll reach out to you and contact you about buying their house.
And another good way that you may not be thinking about is condemned houses. So you can go to counties and they can provide you a free list of these condemned houses. This could be another great potential way to find properties at a discount from motivated sellers. So go ahead and tap into this if you can in your local county to find these types of deals.
And the last one that I think is fantastic. Now imagine a place where people are forced to move and they need to sell their house because they're being forced to move. Now, this is not forced where it's actually bad. Military bases or around, like cities that are around military bases, they actually get orders to go to another military base and they need to sell their house. You're going to find people that need to sell their house. Jump on those motivated sellers. And also, another way is to smash that like button. Just kidding. It's not going to actually get you more properties, but it would help me on the channel a lot, just showing people that there are so many ways to invest in real estate. So hit that like button right now. And so as you're looking at great places to invest, military bases or cities that have military bases around it are fantastic. Remember, this is the second video out of 3, so check the link in the description for all 3 of these videos, giving you 30 fantastic ways to find motivated sellers. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.